on a number line. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can actually see this better. So when you graph, let's refresh your memory. This says x is less than a, okay? So that means we're going to go to a over here, and we are going to put an open circle, and we are going to shade to the left. If x is less than or equal to a, then we go to a and we put a closed dot. Remember, when there's an equal to, there is a closed dot, and we shade to the left. Now the next one says that x is greater than b. So come over here to b, you put an open dot, and you follow the arrow, you shade to the right. This says x is greater than or equal to b. So over here at b, we have a closed dot, and it's shaded to the right. You always follow the arrow. Okay, so let's see. This one says x is between a and b. Okay, so this one's a little different. You only shade between the two numbers. I know that the arrows go to the left, but you don't keep shading to the left. When x is in the middle, you only shade the middle. Neither one of these have an equal to, so they will both be open dots. And this next one, x is between a and b again, so we only shade the middle. When x is in the middle, you shade the middle. But this time, both of them are going to have closed dots because they both have an equal to. The next one has an equal to at the A, but not at the B. So see how this dot is closed? This one is actually open. And on this last one, we have no equal to at the A, so that's an open dot, and an equal to at the B. So that one would have a closed dot. A is an open dot, and B would be a closed dot. So let's get this back the right size, and let's look at the next slide. So on this one, it says to graph x is less than 3. Let's zoom in just a little bit again. I know it's hard to see. So when we do x is less than 3, we are going to put a dot at the 3, an open dot, and it says less than, so we follow the arrow and we shade to the left. The next one says x is greater than or equal to -1. So we're going to go to -1. And we're going to close that dot because of the equal to. It points to the right, so we shade to the right. And the last one says x is between -1 and +3. Okay, so we're going to go to -1, +3, and we're going to shade in the middle. Now pay attention, at the left end, at the -1, there's no equal to. That's why this dot is open. At the 3 end, there is an equal to, so that dot would be closed.